Yo, what's going on, guys? Headed over to Burke, Vermont. Gonna go to Kingdom Trails. We just got some mountain bikes. We're hardcore riders. No, it's actually gonna be our first time riding together. First time pretty much riding ever, so it's not gonna be super gnarly terrain, but we wanted to get into mountain biking, get some good exercise, see some different sights, and just wanted to record today because it's getting close to peak foliage, so it's going to be pretty beautiful out. And maybe we'll go find a spot to smooch in the woods. Meeting up with our friends Derek and Jill, go for a nice little scenic ride. We got the kids in their crates for the afternoon, water and food, so they should be good. And just a nice little double date on the mountain bikes.
Leftover hot dog buns.
Little bumpy roads. But anyways, it's just so beautiful out. I just wanted to share. Maybe anyone's interested in coming to the Kingdom Trails, be like, I wonder what it's like. Well, you're about to find out.
Yeah.
You got it, hon! Holy cow! Kerplunk! That's a tough one. Oh, you got me. Have some roots, bud. Woo! Tight little turnage. Oh, look at the train. Look out, guys. You got two back there. Hit them. I'm just kidding. All the knives. I caught a leaf, almost went. My breathing's so heavy.
I have no idea.
Holy balls.
Drinking water for me fucking ruins me. I have to wait till I'm
Yeah? Should have popped some White Claws, dude. How you feeling, hon?
Your legs burning?
Not really.
No, mine
I
are.
just watched that though.
Did you try the dropper post at all?
I did.
Does it work?
First
Up
time my
that
legs
little
have
dirt
burnt.
thing.
Does it help?
To
This is the
Jill.
first time my legs have burnt since
Hey.
like the second time I've gone.
Since the 2nd grade. Whew, that's a tight one. Oh, good. How does the butt pads feel? Can you tell? Your butt doesn't hurt? Fuck yeah. Oh, this bridge is nicer. Man, you should have seen her. Wish I was on video. Just bunny hop right off that bridge. Yeah! Baby, I will wait for you. Would you look at that? Woo! The back tire almost.
I definitely flipped over the handlebars. So that's good.
What?
That one time I like
Oh, you went over the handlebars? You like fell off?
I hit a tree, then I bounced off that one, hit another tree, and went flying right over.
You okay?
I'm good.
Oh. Woo! Woo! That bump right there gets you. Watch out! Turned around. Where it? Well, made it down in one piece, almost. Maybe a couple pieces.
What?
Me and you. So I made it down one piece, 2 pieces. Now having a drinky poo. Good time? Yeah. We'll do it again. Kingdom Trails. Bread from life.